Hello everyone, without delaying, let's start. Team Community Channel, page numéro 21. Les élèves. Numéro 21. Les élèves entre class. The students enter blank class or classrooms. Classroom. Now, classroom. We have A. O means two for masculine and feminine or at, and sometimes in. So B, A means two or at or even in. And we have C, which means in. You have D, which means for. So the correct answer is en classe. Les élèves entrent. Les élèves entrent en classe. In French, you don't say literally the student enter classes. You say they enter into or in classes or in class. So it should be this one here. Maintenant, the student enter class. That's what it means literally. Les élèves entrent en classe. Maintenant, nous avons B. Numéro 23. Le livre est la table. The book is blank the table. A. Dans, in. B. Sur, on. C. À, to. D. Sans, without. So the correct answer is on. The book is on the table. See? Now we have B. Numéro 23. Le voleur passe en la fenêtre. The thief pass blank the window. A. Sous, under. B. Sans, without. C. Dans, in. D. Par, by. The correct answer is by. When this is the way you say it. Le voleur. See? Le voleur. The thief passes through or by the window. Nous avons maintenant le numéro 24. Numéro 24. 24. It's feminine. Cette dame porte des lunettes blanches. Bien voir. This woman wears glasses blank. See well. A. Dehors. B. Pour, for, or to. Sometimes it means it can be translated as to. You have C. En, in, de, par, by. The correct answer is pour. Pour. Pour should be here. To mean, cette dame porte des lunettes pour bien voir. This woman wears the glasses or wears glasses to see well. In French, the way you say it, well, bien, comes before to see. Bien means good or well. Maintenant, numéro 25. L'enfant marche, sa mère. The child walks, blank, his or her mother. Now, A. Devant means in front of. B. Pour, for, or to. C. Sous, under. D. Sur, on. The correct answer is devant. See, in front of. See. L'enfant, the child, walks, march, in front of, devant, his or her mother. L'enfant marche devant sa mère. Très bien. Now, B. 26. Ils vont Lomé en autocar. They go, they are traveling, or they travel to. They are traveling to. Ils vont, they go, or they are going. Lomé en autocar. By or in autocar. So we have A. Sur, on. B. Au, to. C. À, to. D. Du, of. The correct answer, ils vont à Lomé. They go to Lomé in autocar. So here, ils vont à Lomé. So what we have to know here is that when it is a city, like here, A, you use A. You see, je vais à Accra. See, je vais à Accra. I'm going to Accra. Je vais à Kumasi. I'm going to Kumasi. Je vais à Lomé. I'm going to Lomé. You see, so je vais à Abidjan. I'm going to Abidjan. So this is the way you have to use them. When as soon as you see a city, use a as to mean two. Now for countries which are masculine singular, so country names, you use O. So O plus masculine singular country name. For instance, Ghana is masculine. You say je vais au Ghana. Je vais au Ghana. Or je vais au Togo. Je vais au Benin. The three of them are masculine country names. So now here for feminine countries, you use un. Like in this case, un plus feminine singular country name. You say je vais en France because France is feminine. You say la France. You see, je vais en France. Now for plural country name, for a plural country name, you use O. Like États-Unis, you say les États-Unis, it is plural. So you say je vais aux États-Unis. Je vais aux États-Unis. So this is what we have to know. To summarize it, A plus city is cities or a city. O plus masculine singular country name. Un plus feminine singular country name. And O plus plural country name. That's what we have to use them. Maintenant, continuons. Nous avons ici, nous avons numéro 27. Qui est ... la porte? Who is blank the door? You have A, sur, on. B, derrière, behind, or at. Let's say behind. Derrière, sorry. Behind is just derrière is just behind. Now, C, sous. Sous is under, and vers is towards. See, when you are going towards something, you say vers. Now, the correct answer is derrière. You say qui est derrière la porte? Qui est derrière la porte means who is behind the door. The person is knocking, so who is behind the door? See. Now, nous avons 28. Kofi va ... France. Kofi is going France. So we explain this already. France is feminine, so it should be so you should know. Right. Now we have A, de, of. B, vers, towards. Now C, en, in. And the D, are, to. The correct answer is en, because France is feminine. Kofi va en France. Now, numéro 29. Le chat sur le lit. The dog blank on the bed. So A. Dog sleeps. B. Va goes. C. Regarde, look at or watch. D. Écrit, writes. Yeah, looks at. Yes. So now we have le chat, the dog on the bed. The correct answer is dog. See, the cat sleeps on the bed. The cat sleeps on the bed. Maintenant, numéro 30. Maman. Numéro 30. Maman donne des bonbons. Enfant. Maman gives candy. Bonbon is candy. Mama gives candy. Blank children. You have the of plural or some. B, pour, for or to. You have O, which means to, but masculine singular. D, to, masculine plural. So the correct answer is O, this one. Okay, should be here. To means mama gives candy to children, aux élèves. Now, what's the rule for this one? What you have to know is that when it is when the object is singular, when it is singular, you use a. Maman donne des bonbons à l'élève. See, il donne des bonbons à, you can put a bonbon here, à l'élève, because it is singular and it starts with a vowel. You see, there is a vowel at the beginning. Now, and when it is singular masculine consonant, starting with a consonant, use O. Il donne des bonbons au garçon. Here you don't say à le garçon. No, you don't say, ici il donne des bonbons au garçon, because garçon is masculine singular. Now you have for plural, you have plural here. So you say O, you use this one O, plural, like in our case. Il donne des bonbons. You see, des bonbons. Donne des bonbons au garçon or aux élèves, like in our case. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. See you next time.